Welcome to another episode of Omnisend's Daily Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, we'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and make you better marketers. Now, yesterday, I talked all about building out your first welcome message by focusing on your brand value adds and customer intent. Today, it's the first of 2 tips around using user-generated content, otherwise known as UGC, in your welcome series emails. Now, when people first hear UGC, they immediately think about social media. Not today. Instead, I want to focus on reviews of your top-rated products. You've likely been collecting product reviews from past customers, and these are a form of social proof. And because they are focused on top-rated products, we know people are saying great things. In a welcome series, brands should be actively promoting these products to their new subscribers. Remember, they're likely new to your brand. Help guide them toward your customers' favorite products. You can introduce these customer favorites in welcome message itself, but they also serve as great standalone content for your second message. Now, if you don't know specific information about your new subscriber, introduce top products from multiple categories. This can wield a whole new level of data on personalization. More on this next week. So for your second message, include these top products, complete with star ratings in your messages to help influence a purchase. After all, people are persuaded by others. Just don't forget to also reinforce those value adds we spoke about. Your homework today is to find 3 top-rated products from 4 of your primary categories. Now, if you have fewer main categories, that's okay too. Just focus on those. There you have it. All the content you need to create a second intent-focused welcome series message that helps guide your new subscriber along their purchase journey. Be sure to join me tomorrow, where I'll be discussing ways to use those customer testimonials to power your welcome series and beyond. So thanks for tuning into this episode of our marketing tip series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, happy marketing.